Welcome to the breathtaking Kawakawa Falls in Adamonan, Quezon, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of nature's paradise. Embark on a journey with me as we explore the lush greenery, cascading waters, and serene surroundings of this enchanting waterfall. Feel the cool mist on your skin as you immerse yourself in the crystal clear pools and rejuvenate your senses in the midst of tranquility. The Kawakawa Falls is a true oasis of serenity, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Discover the natural wonders of Quezon as we trek through the verdant trails, leading to this picturesque waterfall. Surrounded by towering trees and vibrant flora, capture the beauty of nature at its finest, and let the soothing sounds of the falls transport you to a place of pure bliss. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a thrill seeker, or simply seeking a moment of relaxation, Kawakawa Falls promises an unforgettable experience for all.
Oh, hippopotamus of the lake, what is your wisdom?
Join me on this adventure as we uncover the magic and tranquility of Adamonan's hidden paradise, where every step brings us closer to nature's wonders and the beauty of Kawakawa Falls awaits to mesmerize and inspire.
Wala nang tubig, ginarangan na ng dalawa. Carlo, doon ka sa gitna. Yan. Kaya wala nang tubig. Lumalim na.
The best adventure is when you are with your family and loved ones, experiencing the sounds of nature mixed with fun, excitement, and laughter. Let's be tourists in our own hometown and share it with everyone. Do you have an idea now? Why is it called Kawakawa? Tell us on the comment below.
Careful lang pagtalon. Maliit yung ano.
Maliit yung timba.
Camera, look over there.
Oh. Camera daw.
Alas do.
Talon ka. Jump ka. Dito. Kaway ka, kaway.
Wala ako dito.
Kasi nagpakamatay ka dyan. Wow! That's good! That's good! Dapat apat na tayo.
Okay, what? Jump off the building instead.
Tol! Ligo na! Ligo na! Wow! Mga Pilipino, kapag lumaktan, namatay sa helicopter crash, hindi nahulog at namatay. I let my daughter walk. Yay!
Ayun na nga, parang wala kaya binakura.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.